Are you looking for a buyer because you have a property under contract and you still can't get it sold? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get a buyer step by step. You can do it straight from your phone. All you need is your phone and some internet. Come on, let's get straight into this. Welcome to my channel. I'm Myla Raquel, and I'm about to show you exactly how we finna get into this digital bag. Okay, welcome to my real estate journey. I'm gonna be showing y'all exactly how to find some cash buyers that'll be ready to buy your property quick, fast, and hairy. So don't be worried about, oh,
I got this property under contract, but I can't find no right to buy.
Maybe call up that buyer instead. Let's get it straight to it. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how you can pull some cash buyers from Zillow, Redfin, Realtor, whatever your preference is. I prefer Zillow when I'm looking for cash buyers. I have found one on Realtor. Yeah, like one or two. First, we're gonna open up the Zillow app. When you open up your Zillow app, it should look like this. We're gonna click on the top and we're gonna go to filters. And you always want to make sure when you're looking for buyers, you go to recently sold properties. So once you go to recently sold properties, I always turn it on houses because I'm looking into the single family homes. I don't do townhomes or condos or anything like that at this particular time. Hopefully when we grow bigger, we can do that. But for right now, we're looking at single family homes. So I cut on all the filters, as you can see, single story homes only, which is kind of popular. So I am going to turn this filter on. I do hide all 55 plus communities because it's not something that you really can work with, and they're not really looking to buy at all anyways. So after you do your filters, you just hit see all. I'm going to put in my area as Atlanta because I'm located in Georgia. And I always want to go price high to low. High to low within the last 6 months. Make sure you put on the last 6 months because that means that they have sold their properties within the last 6 months and they may be looking, most of them are looking for new properties to revamp and renovate. Those are our target, okay? We finna call them up and we gonna get this going. Like, what are we waiting for? So make sure we turn that on. So I'm just gonna scroll through, and you want to look for houses that look like they have been renovated or look like they've been older by chance. We're gonna scroll a little bit because we in $1 million houses, and it's not what we're looking for. Okay, so now we're getting more into the other properties. See if a property has been a fix and flip. You should be able to tell probably from the outside in the areas. And normally they'll say it. So guys, I've just found this house that I've seen on Zillow. So as you can see, it is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 950 square foot. It's currently off market. You can see the price that it's sold for. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see like the closing costs, the estimates, and everything else. You also can see other properties that have been sold nearby within the same price range or within the same area, which means that it could be multiple cash buyers or it could be one. You're more than likely to look through all of those. What you should do, you should look through all of those houses and you should take your chances and see if they've been revamped. Like I'm going to click on this one. It doesn't really say much. I'm going to try a different one, possibly this one. Yeah, so you can see that this house at first, was not worth it. You can see the windows are broken, everything. You can see the after photo where they fixed the outside, they got new paint, everything else. From this property, you can tell this is a fix and flip or possibly someone who fixed it to rent it out. And they could be looking for more properties. This will make a good potential for someone to call. Like, hey, I seen your property on 123 Avenue, and I was wondering if you were looking to purchase any more properties, now or future tense. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, no, we're not. If they say no, please don't get discouraged. Please just go and find another property, and you can hit them up too. Most people you want to build rapid with. Once they say, oh, yeah, You want to ask questions such as, what type of properties are you looking for? What area do you go into? Etc. etc. You want to build rapport with them. Oh, I'm an investor, realtor, whatever in this area. I would like to connect with you. Maybe we can find some properties together. Maybe we can connect. Build rapid. Relationships matter. Keeping in touch matters. Okay? So, like I said, when you're on Zillow, Zillow most of the time has contact information. So you'll be able to get their contact information and everything about this home, possibly from Zillow. But if not, you can always skip trace it and figure it out. So this one says newly renovated brick home with room to grow on a full unfinished basement, new roof, kitchen with granite, and stainless steel appliances. Bathrooms, refinished original hardwood, and fresh drywall. This is definitely a renovated property, and I already knew by the pictures before they even told me, okay? So I would scroll down and I would see, you can see the price history. So it was originally listed for sale. You can see when it was listed for sale and when it actually sold. So it actually was listed for sale and purchased in 2019 for $95K, and it was resold in 2020 for $180K. Definitely a fix and flip if you ask me. So, of course, I feel like this would be a great property to skip trace or find anything else. And you'll be able to see all the tax history nearby, the schools. So what's stopping you? Get started today. I just showed you exactly how to get the buyers and how you can find them really quickly. If you don't know what to say, make sure you click on my description down below and I'll give you my cold calling script for free. All you have to do is go down to the description, put in your email, and it'll be sent straight to you. So you can get started today. Because what are we waiting for? It's money to be made, and it's enough to go around. Let's get it, y'all.
Notoriety is when people know your work, and notoriety leave a legacy.